Hello students, welcome to my channel. Till now we have discussed areas of plane figures separately. Now we'll try to calculate area of combinations of plane figures. Right? In our daily life we can come across many examples like when we design to decorate our room, interior. There are many things like the wallpaper or many things are we decorate are in the form of some combinations. We may have flower bed, drainage plane, or many other things that are in the form of combinations of planes. Now, in this exercise, we'll try to calculate some of these examples, right? Like there on the board also. Now, we'll start with the first question. Some very good questions are taken here that are also means this video is also having questions from NCERT. The first question that we are having is we are having the shape, right? What the question is given in a circular table cover of radius 32 means हमें इस क्वेश्चन में सर्कल का रेडियस कितना दिया है 32. A design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle means this triangle is an equilateral triangle. अगर इस circular table में से इस triangle को हटा दे तो leaving the equilateral triangle, the design in the middle as shown in the figure, we need to find the area of design. देखो design कितना है जितना red portion है, right? ऐसा clearly mention करके रखा है कि circle में से equilateral triangle का portion हम हटा देंगे तो remaining portion is in design and we need to calculate the design. As it is an equilateral triangle, we can say that these three designs are of equal area and each design will make a segment. Now how to calculate? What I am going to do, I will calculate one segment and will multiply by 3 because equilateral triangle is तीनों segment equal होंगे, right? Now what we are going to do, we need to calculate this angle. Can I say this is theta, this is theta, this is also theta. So can I write here 3 theta equal to 360? So theta will be equal to what? 120 degree. Theta कितना हो गया? 120 degree. Now can I say area of design is equal to 3 times area of one segment. मतलब एक सेगमेंट का एरिया निकालो उससे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो because we have 3 segments are here. Right? Now what is the formula of area of segment? Pi theta by 360 minus sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 whole multiply by r square. Now this is 3 into what is pi? Pi is 22 by 7. Theta is 120 by 360 minus sin theta by 2 120 by 260 cos theta by 2 120 by 260 r square means 32 by square because radius here. Radius is what? 32 as clearly mentioned in the question. Now this 123 is a 360, so this is 3. What I am doing, I am multiplying 3 also. 3 into 22 by 7 into 1 by 3 minus 3 into sin 60 root 3 by 2 and cos 60 1 by 2 32 square 1024. So 3 से 3 cancel हो जाता है हमारे पास, right? I am multiplying 1024 also. So 22 by 7 into 1024 minus 3 root 3 by 4 into 1024. This whole will be in centimeter square. So 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24. Now I need to multiply this 1024 into 22. 22 को मैं 11 into 2 कर सकता हूँ और 11 का मल्टीप्लाई तो बहुत आसान होता है. 4 plus 2 6 plus 0 2 0 plus 1 1 and the last one is 1 into 2. 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4 1 5 2 2. So it will be 2 2 5 2 8 upon 7 minus this multiply by 3, 6 3 is 18, 6 3 3 5 is 15 and 1 16, 3 2 is 6 or 1 7 root 3 centimeter square. देखो जनरली आंसर ऐसे ही लिखते हैं, but when we need to calculate the complete value, we can put the value of root 3 1.73 and we can get the answer. Now next question that we have Also a question of NCERT. In figure, a racing track is given to us, right? Some dimensions are given that we'll first discuss. A racing track is left and right end are semicircular. Means if I remove that part, this is semicircular, right? Upper outer radius, inner radius. Now distance between two inner parallel lines is 60. This is 60. राइट 60 is 2r because अगर मैं इसको r लेता हूँ r plus r 2r means r is 30 meter. They are 106 meter long. This length is 106 meter. Next 10 meter wide. This is 10. Now we need to find the distance along the track along its inner edge. First part calculate करना है inner edge के long area. Inner edge में this line is there. This line is there in the semicircular end. Length calculate करना है distance traveled. So we can say this is 106 plus 106. देखो ये 106 है, ये भी 106 है. Now two semicircular. This is pi r. This is pi r. So this will be what? 2 pi r. So 106 212 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 30. Right? So 212. LCM ले लेते हैं हम यहाँ पे 7 7 to the 14 7 to the 718 7 to the 14 plus this will be 44 3 is 1320. This is 2804 by 7 meter. Now second part is area of the track. Area of the track is this particular part we need to calculate. है ना, ये पार्ट कैलकुलेट करना है. अब इस पार्ट में हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? We can say sir, this part contains a rectangle, again a rectangle, circular ring and a circular ring. These four things are there. अब ये दोनों रेक्टेंगल के एरिया तो इक्वल होंगे. रेक्टेंगल दिख रहा है ना आपको, राइट? Now we can say the area required area is equal to 2 into area of rectangle plus 2 into area of semicircular ring. अच्छा ये आप मुझे बताएं, रिंग लिखा है मैंने, दो सेमी सर्कुलर रिंग है, दोनों को ज्वाइन कर दूंगा तो क्या एक सर्कुलर रिंग मिल जाएगा. एंड इज आउटर रेडियस इज कैपिटल R, inner radius is small r. So what is the area of the circular ring? Generate pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Are you getting or not? अब इसे सेमी सर्कुलर बोलना है तो अपॉन 2 कर देंगे, राइट? सेमी सर्कुलर में क्या हो जाएगा? अपॉन 2. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज, देखो ये लेंथ 30 है, ये 10 है, सो ये टोटल रेडियस कितना हो जाएगा? कैन आई से कैपिटल R इज इक्वल टू 40. सो दिस इज 2 into L into B plus 2 into pi कैपिटल R स्क्वायर माइनस स्मॉल r स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 से क्या हो गया? कैंसिल. 2 into length is 106, breadth is 10 plus 22 by 7. This is 1600 minus 900 है ना, स्मॉल r 16 में से 9 700 होता है, 700 से 100 टाइम्स हो जाएगा, राइट? सो दिस इज 2120 plus 2200. This is 4320 meter square. Now next question we have, that is 10th question of NCERT. The area of an equilateral triangle is given. This equilateral triangle, and with each vertex of the triangle at the center of the circle, right? देखो इसकी each vertex है, that is center of a circle with radius equal to half the length of the sides of the triangle. मतलब जो radius है वो half the length of the sides of the triangle. अब सिंपल सी बात समझो, equilateral triangle है, half the length बोल रहा है radius को, r 2r हो जाएगा, r 2r हो जाएगा, this is r 2r. is each circle is of equal radius, right? Now next thing is we need to find the shaded region and we need to use it. How to find the shaded region? Shaded region can be simply calculated by calculating the area of triangle minus subtract these three portions. Triangle में से एक portion आप हटा दो, so you will get the red portion, that is the shaded region. So to find these three portions, this is what segment, right? And angle you know 60 degree, but you don't know the radius. और इस radius को निकालने के लिए ही हमें 17320 दिया है. So what we'll do first? We'll first find the radius. Now it is given, take solution and do it. Area of equilateral triangle is 17320.5 centimeter square. Now what is area of equilateral triangle? फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? √3/4 into side square, that is 17320.5. Now what is √3? √3 we know we need to use this value, है ना, 1.73205 upon 4. और साइड क्या होगा? साइड ऑफ द ट्रायंगल इज 2r, राइट? सो इनटू 2r का होल स्क्वायर, दैट इज 17320.5. अब आप ध्यान से देखिए, इस पॉइंट को हटाया 10, इस पॉइंट को मैं हटाता हूं, तो ना हटाओ इस पॉइंट को भी, तो मुझे दिख रहा है ये दोनों सेम वैल्यू है, बस डेसिमल का अंतर है. कितने डेसिमल का अंतर है देखो, इस प्लेस के बाद लगा है ना, मतलब 4 डिजिट से, मींस इट इज 10,000, राइट? नाउ दिस 2r का होल स्क्वायर इज 4r स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 इज 10,000. 4 से 4 कैंसिल, सो r हो जाएगा आपका 100. r is what? 100 centimeter. Now after calculating radius, we'll first calculate the sector. We have 3 sectors, each have equal angle, means each of equal area. So area of 3 sectors is equal to 3 into area of sector theta by 360 into pi r square. This is 3. Theta is 60 by 360. Pi is what? 3.14 and r square 100 into 100. Right? So ये क्या हो जाएगा? ध्यान से देखो. This is, sorry, 3 कैंसिल नहीं हुआ है. 66 और 3 2 are, right? आप इसको देखते हैं, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो we'll get 314, right? 314 upon 2 into 100. This is 157. 157 into 100, 15700, right? So can I say the area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle minus 3 into area of sector, right? As we have discussed, area of triangle is 17320.5 minus area of these 3 sector 15700.0. So this is 0.502. 13 में से 7 गया 6 1, and this is the answer in centimeter square. Now in this question number 15, we have to find the area of the shaded region. Now what is given in the question is this: ABC is a quadrant of a circle. Means ABC, ये जो इस circular के साथ, it is the quadrant of a circle, means this is 90, right? Now a semicircle is drawn with BC. BC से आपने semicircle draw किया है, right? S diameter लेके find the area of the shaded region. Radius of the circle है 14 दिया है बेटा. This is also 14. First we'll write how to calculate this shaded region. Just pay attention here, right? This step is very important. If you write it correctly, you will definitely solve the question correctly. The area of shaded region area of semicircle with BC diameter minus, just pay attention here, ये BC diameter लेके जो semicircle है, इसमें से ये वाला portion अगर हम हटा दें तो we'll get the shaded region or not? Please tell me. I am telling you, semicircle में से अगर आप ये वाला portion हटा देंगे so you will get the shaded region. Now how to calculate this? भाई इसको हटाना है तो इसे कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. This quadrant में से ट्रायंगल को माइनस करेंगे. इस एरिया ऑफ quadrant minus area of triangle. So we have area of semicircle के लिए तो हमें डायमीटर मालूम है. Can I say hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square? Means Pythagoras theorem 90 degree है ना. So this BC square is equal to 14 square plus 14 square. So BC is equal to 2 into 14 square का root. So this is 14 into centimeter. Now the area of the semicircle with BC diameter, semicircle है तो half pi. देखो इसकी रेडियस को मैं कैपिटल R नाम दे देता हूँ, कैपिटल R. भाई BC 14 रूट 2 है, BC can I get 2R, so R क्या हो जाएगा 7√2. By if I take this as R, this total is 2R. So pi R square minus area of quadrant half into pi small r square. This is small r I am taking, and minus area of triangle, right angle triangle का ये क्या होता है 1/2 base into height. So we'll write half pi is what 22/7 and r square is capital R is 7/2 into 7√2 minus 1/4. This pi is 22/7 and this r is 14. 14 into 14 minus half, base is 14 and height is also 14. Right? Now can I say we get 2 से 11 हो गया, 2 से 7 हो गया, उस 7 से 7 क्या हो गया? Cancel. So I can write this 7 से 7 cancel, 2 से 2 cancel, 22 7 का 154 minus यहाँ पे कितना बच रहा है 11 into 14 154 minus 7 का 98 154 से 154 cancel, this 98 is the answer and the unit will be centimeter square. Now the last question of today's video is question number 16 of NCERT, last question of the exercise. We need to calculate this area. This is the rectangular region, the area of the design between the two quadrants. दो quadrant है उनके बीच में नहीं. भाई quadrant कैसा होता है? If I talk about the quadrant, this is the quadrant. भाई एक quadrant ऐसा है और दूसरा quadrant देखो ऐसा है, सेम रेडियस का है. अब दोनों को ओवरलैप किया तो आपको ऐसा एरिया हो जाएगा. इससे आप so you can do it any two ways, but what I find the simpler way that I will be explaining here. Just pay attention. Okay? What we can do here, you just look at the diagram like this. कि आपको एक इस टाइप का शेप. This is symmetric. अगर मैं बीच वाली लाइन से इसे दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दूंगा, तो this is part 1, this is part 2. Each part will be of equal area. Now part 1 कैसे कैलकुलेट करूंगा, ध्यान से देखिए. इसी डायग्राम से बना रहा हूं. If इस क्वाड्रेंट में से if I subtract the triangle, will I get part 2? Sorry, part 2. Will I get it or not? तो part 2 में 2 का मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो ओवरऑल एरिया आ जाएगा. So this is the way by which I will be calculating area of shaded region is equal to 2 into, this is part 1, part 2, area of part 1, that I have already mentioned, which is part 1, which is part 2. Now you just pay attention here. part 1 कैसे निकाल रहा हूं मैं? मैंने ये बनाया ना आपके सामने कि एक सेमी सर्कुलर बनाया, तो क्वाड्रेंट बनाया, क्वाड्रेंट में से ट्रायंगल माइनस करूंगा, मींस 2 into area of quadrant minus area of triangle, that is right angle triangle, right? So we have area of quadrant क्या होता है भाई? रेडियस तो आपकी 8 हो गई है ना, रेडियस आपकी 8, so we can say 1/4 pi r square minus 1/2 base into height. Just pay attention here. This 2 into 1/4 pi is 22/7 and this r is 8 into 8 minus 1/2. भाई रेडियस 8 हो जाएगा ना इसका. अब बेस भी 8 है, हाइट भी 8 है. ये ट्रायंगल आप यहाँ देख लो, बेस भी 8 है, हाइट भी 8 है आपके पास, राइट? 8 into 8. So what I am doing, 2 to the 4, 11 सा. I am taking 2 and 8 into 8 common. 2 8 into 8 common. What is left? 11 by this 7 and यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं बचेगा, -1. 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो गया, 64. LCM 11 minus 7, this is 4/7. So this is 256/7. Unit is centimeters. So that इज ऑल इन टुडेज वीडियो। समटाइम स्टूडेंट से सर एनसीईआरटी करना है, बाहर करना है, फिर से बोल रहा हूँ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन करना है वो एनसीईआरटी से हो या बाहर से हो। एंड प्रीवियस 4 ईयर स्टैटिस्टिक्स ये बोलता है कि एवरेज 72% एनसीईआरटी से आया है आउट ऑफ 80। 72 मार्क्स का अगर आप एवरेज निकालेंगे। दूसरी बात, इस बार तो वैसे भी कोविड, तो आपको आना है। सर नहीं आया तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो है ना हमारे पास, इसमें हम अदर क्वेश्चंस करेंगे जो एनसीईआरटी के नहीं। थैंक यू सो मच।